Hey everyone, and welcome to Business Boutique. I'm Christy Wright, and today I have a challenge for you. Now, if you are watching this when I'm releasing this lesson, then you are right in the middle of the crazy, awesome, crazy holiday season. And the holidays are full. We have a tendency to think that, oh, in the holidays, I'm just gonna kick back and relax, but you and I both know they're busy, just a different kind of busy. But that's why I have a challenge for you today. Because here's what happens every single year to me and a lot of people that I know. We go into the holidays and we enjoy time with family and friends, and we run around from potlucks to parties and all the good things. But then we go into January with a holiday hangover. You know what I'm talking about, don't you? Like, you're exhausted and your house is a mess and there's Christmas decorations and wrapping paper and you feel full and just out of schedule and just out of whack. Now, you have a really special opportunity right now because you've got a few days. If you're listening to this right now, when we're releasing this, you've got a few days before the new year starts. So my challenge for you is this. I want you to get a running start. You know what I mean by that, don't you? Like, when you get a running start, by the time the race starts or the calendar flips, you're going so much faster, right? You're able to get more done. You've got momentum. You've got some type of schedule. You've got some type of order. Maybe you're getting your budget in line for the next year. Maybe you're, okay, I'm going to clean out the pantry. No more holiday cookies. I'm going to get my vegetables stocked up and get my groceries and get some type of system in place. When you spend the next few days at the end of the year getting these things together, y'all, you start January so much stronger. You start ready to run where truly you are getting more done and really, really happy with how you've started the year. So what does that look like in your life? Is it your pantry? Is it your budget? Is it just cleaning and picking up your house? I don't know what it is for you, but I want to challenge you to get a running start. Think about your goals, think about your money and your time and your schedule and your business and what you want to do in January. And then back out of that and go ahead and get a head start. You know, I ran track in high school, and every time we were doing the high jump or the long jump as part of the field events, you get a really long running start. Why is that? Why don't we just stand there and try to jump over the bar, or stand there and try to jump as far as we can in the sand? Why? Because you can't go as far. There's a lot of power in momentum and getting a running start. We did that in track, and I want you to do that this week in your business. So you figure out what that looks like for you, figure out your goals, figure out your budget, figure out your pantry or your refrigerator, but then go ahead and give yourself the gift, one last gift, of a head start for the new year. When you do this, you'll hit the ground running and you'll be really, really glad you did. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are ready for 2019 to not only set goals, but actually stick with them, y'all, I've got a tool for you. It's my brand new 2019 Business Boutique Goal Planner. This is not just a calendar. This is content every single month. You've got questions for reflection. You've got worksheets and downloads. You also have a calendar and to-do list where you can carry your goals through the entire year. You don't want to miss your chance to actually stick with your goals this year. You can get your copy at businessboutique.com or by clicking the link below.